Not good.
With our friend Adrian Raza. We are already looking for urban spots, and I'm already feeling uncomfortable. This looks ultra sketchy. We're crossing a pond. It kind of looks pretty, so we're gonna let him test it out first. He'll be our test dummy for this one. We're gonna see what fun activities and what fun little spots we can find while he's in town. Be sure to go check out his channel as well. Adrian Raza, the urban flatland skimmer. Wondering what the hell's about to go down. Oh boy! Oh! Ow! Yeah, a little bit. Ow! First go? Oh! The tadpoles are not stoked on you.
No?
Look at these little guys.
That was kind of dumb. Yeah, it was kind of. But you can do it. Do I want to though? No, now you need to do it.
I think you got it. I don't think this pond is Blair friendly. This is not for me.
Only for frogs.
Only for frogs and Raza. There it is! Yeah! We're out of here. Let's see that reef rash, Adrian.
The Flatlander's reef rash.
That's a Flatlander's reef rash. All right, on to the next spot. What the hell? What does the spot look like?
Super fun. A lot of fish inside.
Probably
Maybe some cows as well.
Probably piranhas.
Probably piranhas.
We're on to the second urban spot here in Hawaii. We have to go incognito undercover for this one, just in case we get in trouble. We'll soon find out. They're gonna go scout the situation.
I don't know. What do you think?
Come on, Joe! We don't have a second. Come on, come on. Joe! Oh. I almost say we run this way. Okay. And go up and around.
Not good.
Urban spot number 2.
I don't know. It's a dead cow reservoir. That's what I heard.
It's a big old tarp bomb hill. Got a couple skimboards, 54 special. Got to figure out what to do with these fins. All the boys. Gotta watch your step. Holy moly. Oh shit. I'm already sliding. Oh my. Oh. Thing's slippery.
Alright, shotgun boys.
Couple of piranhas.
Piranhas?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Let's go.
You're an animal. We're all gonna get
Full speed. You got it. Let's go.
sliding out into it.
The transition is due, but okay, I'll try here, maybe.
Okay, this is what you walk on. It's not slippery.
walking up here. I'm just gonna do a little acid drop and see what happens. Ready, boys? 0.5? Yeah. Oh, wait.
I'll get the behind the scenes of Joao's shot.
Get it. Ready?
Yeah. Damn, you made it pretty far. That was sick.
Sorry, bro.
No, it's okay. It's kind of crazy how slidey it is. Oh, there's the other boys. Here comes the guy.
Finger flip. Hey, we got the boys.
Oh! Oh!
This thing is so sick.
Holy in the nasty cow water.
That felt pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
It's crazy how the transition is makeable.
Oh, it's so slippery. Is this thing slippery? Nope.
You gotta get some water on there. And then I just like slide it.
Oh, it's gonna slide, baby! Whoa! Whoa, dude. Oh! Ow!
One.
Oh! Oh yeah! Oh my! That's way back on it. Way back on it.
Oh my god.
Barney boy.
Oh.
Oh.
Coming for you.
Doubles, Blair.
Whoa. Whoa. I almost kicked you up, what are you? No, you're fine. That was pretty bad. Trying to kill me. I thought your board was gonna come flying out at me. Oh my god. That guy's going for broke. That guy's going for broke.
Oh, you like had the winch like over.
Did you?
I'm good.
Dude, that was kind of sketchy.
Right? I saw the board, I was like, no.
Let me try that.
No way, dude. What are you doing? Stand way back on it, Max. Way back on it. Way back on it. Oh my. Oh. Whoa.
I forgot why I don't hang out with you, Max.
Be careful of those things too.
Yeah. You don't have to go
Those
very
things
fast.
will
just
mess
kinda
you
like...
up.
Oh! 40, bro.
Oh my god. A 40. Those are UK numbers.
Oh yeah! Oh, switch! That was sick. Oh yeah, shove again! Oh yeah. Oh! That's Blair Conklin. Like a sack of potatoes.
I caught that. No.
Whoa!
I was literally at the top.
Gecko feet over here. Just let me get up here, please. Oh my god! Thank you. Oh!
That's really funny.
Oh no! 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 King of the tarp. What? Okay. You just cut yourself? Oh! You sure it's not on photo? It's filming, it's filming. Hey. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. One. Oh my god. This is sketch. No! Oh!